Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging. First off, I'm just going to say if the lighting sucks, I'm sorry. I have got my window open and it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. Plus I have my overhead light on, so it might not be the greatest lighting, but you know, we'll just get through this. Okay, so what this is if you have been following me, you would have seen a video that I did previously a few weeks ago from One Day Savings. Now, in that video, they sent me a diamond painting, and when I opened it, some of the drills were missing. So I reached out to the company, and just like immediately they responded. So the drills that were missing in that diamond painting, they were out of. So they just went ahead, sent me another diamond painting, and then asked if I would go ahead and show a couple other items that they had. So I was like, of course. So I've already opened the bag because I actually had gotten something else and I wasn't sure what this was. And when I opened it, I seen that it was from One Day Savings. So they sent me another diamond painting, and then they sent me a couple other things. So this is what they sent me, and I'm extremely excited to try this out. But first, we're just going to go ahead and do the diamond painting. So I'm going to set them over to the side. So I hope everybody's having a great day today. And I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. And let's see. Boy, this is in there tight. Alright, so what they sent me is the same diamond painting. So I knew that they were going to send me the same diamond painting. So it is the Beauty and the Beast silhouette. And there are like a ton of these. I don't remember how many there is, but it's like all the Disney type princesses. Like I said, I don't remember how many or which ones there is, but this is the one they originally sent me, and it is the Beauty and the Beast. It is poured glue, round. It is a 30 by 40, and it does have 23 colors. And as you can see, it's Belle. She's reading her book. There's the roses. There's the Beast. And in her dress, she has got, there's the teapot. I don't remember what the name of all this is because it's been years since I've seen this movie. But there's the candelabra, the clock, the teapot. I'm sure that's something, but I can't tell. A butterfly. That might be the cups to the teapot. But anyway, this is the original painting that they sent me. And with it, you get a regular toolkit, which is your pink pen, your green boat, and your square of wax. Now we are going to look at this and make sure that the drills are in here. Because in the other one, it wasn't One Day Savings' fault. It was the manufacturer's fault. So, let's see. Okay. So, what did I say? There's 23 colors. So, now I'm not going to go through this because I've already made a video on this, but I just want to make sure that the drills are here this time, which I'm sure they are. So let me find number 1. Here we go. It was drills number 13 is the one that was missing. So there's 1, 2, 3. Whoop. There's 1. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of number 2. Then there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! There's number 13. 14, 15, 16. Then there's 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So they are all there this time. And like I said, it was not One Day Savings' fault. It was the manufacturer of the drills. And it was just it was an empty bag. They were all in order, but the bag was empty. So it was no big deal. And like I said, I reached out to One Day Savings, and they were just like Johnny on the spot, and they got right back to me like the same day, and I sent them, I told them what had happened, and they, I guess, looked to see if they had the drills because they wanted the number of the drills, which the DMC numbers are on the canvas. So I told him what drills it was, and he looked and came back and said that they were out of drills, but he was just going to go ahead and send me another canvas. So I thought that was extremely nice of them. So, all right, I am going to put this to the side, and then we're going to look at the other things that I got. So this is a pen, and y'all, I'm not exactly sure how this works. So we are going to find out together as soon as I can figure out how to open the plastic. Okay. Oh, and that canvas is, like I said, it's called Silhouette. It's a 30 by 40, and it's listed for $6.46. Now, this is it is listed on their website as a diamond painting, rotating glue point pen, and it comes with 1 piece of wax. All right, finally. And it is listed as regular $4.56, but right now it is on sale for $3.99. So that's not bad, y'all. So what this is, and I'm going to bring it up and let y'all see what it looks like up close. I have my window open and the wind's blowing and everything's just moving around. But if you can see, it has the glue inside the pen. Okay. And this, you turn it. You can see it looks like a screw right there. And you turn it. And let's see. Yeah. If I can, I hope this is a good angle. Anyway, if you can see, the glue has come out some. Alright, and it's just wax. So I think you can buy the wax separate. So let's just look here. You unscrew it, and you can pull it out, and I guess you just put the wax down in there, and this just acts like it just pushes it. So that's pretty cool. But we will screw that back in. But yeah, that way you don't have to keep continuously filling your pen. You just, can y'all see that? I am so sorry. But you turn it and it just keeps coming out. So, yeah. That's pretty neat. And then, like I said, you can buy extra glue to put in there. So that's pretty neat, y'all. And like I said, this is called a rotating glue point pen. And it comes with wax. And it does have pink wax or white wax. And you can buy the wax separate. But I didn't look to see how much that was. But anyway, this is on sale right now on their website for $3.99. And it comes in a pink pen or a white pen. So, there's that. Now this, y'all, this is cool. Now this is, let's see, this is called a now this is a mouthful, y'all. It is called a multi-function self-adhesive 3D pattern edge decorating molding trim border frame. Wow. Okay, so it comes in 230 centimeter roll. Let me get this out of here. Well, I didn't want to tear this. Alright, so it feels like foam. Alright, so it comes rolled up. Now this one is purple and it has a border on it or a design on it, but it's foam and it is supposed to be to wear. Now I'm going to see if I can't do this. I don't want to cut it because I'm planning on using this for one of my other canvases. So you put it on the side of your canvas and it looks like it's framed. Now look, y'all, this comes in, now this one is purple, but it comes in purple, brown, yellow, black, blue, gray, orange, gold, or white. So you have a lot of colors to choose from depending on, you know, what kind of canvas you have and what the colors of your canvas are. So, but yeah, you cut this to fit and then it looks like it's a frame. And it's cheap, it's inexpensive, and I think once you cut it and you put it on your canvas, it's going to look really nice, y'all. And there's, like I said, 230 centimeter roll. Now, y'all, this is regular $4.59 on sale for $3.99. That is like extremely cheap. A whole lot cheaper than going out and buying picture frames, because it really does look like it's framed. Let me see. I have this one that I just finished. And look. That looks so cute. And if that was cut, look, wouldn't that be so cute? And with a canvas like this, I mean, you could take and you could make any color you wanted to. And like I said, it feels like foam. But look, isn't that cute? And it looks like a real border, like a real frame. And it just comes in a row. Now, in order to do a big picture, like if, say, you know, like some of the huge pictures, you might have to get 2 or 3 rows of this, because this, I don't know what 230 centimeters is in inches. But I will look that up and put it in my description box. But I mean, looks like there's more than enough to do a 30 by 40 canvas. So yeah, I think it would be so cool. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here and do this video for One Day Savings. And I just want to say thank you to them for giving me the opportunity to be able to do some videos for them. And thank you to them for getting back with me about the canvas. Because y'all, I didn't even pay for that first canvas. They sent that to me so I could show it on, my channel. So they did not have to do, what they did by sending me another canvas. They could have been like, you know what? You didn't pay for it, so who cares? But they didn't. They absolutely got right back in touch with me and sent me a whole nother canvas. So anyway, y'all, I'm going to put the description I'm going to put the links to all of this in my description box so y'all can run over it, because look, y'all, I'm excited to try this. I am fixing to try this just as soon as I finish this video. So anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye, y'all.